Hello, I'm Jose Portilla,
And I'm Francesco Mosconi.
and we've worked together to bring you our course on deep learning. This course is designed to be the best way to get started with deep learning. I teach over 150,000 students here on Udemy on various topics, on Python programming, data science, and machine learning. And I'm very excited to be working with Francesco to bring you a fantastic course on one of the most exciting topics in this space.
I've worked with data in startups and large companies, and I taught data science at some of the most famous bootcamps in Silicon Valley. Last year, I founded Data Weekends, a series of in-person workshops focused on machine learning and deep learning. Our students helped us design a curriculum that goes both deep and wide, covering techniques used by major companies to do amazing things like forecasting production, translating text, recognizing objects and images, and more. So becoming good with deep learning will give you a great competitive advantage and allow you to build awesome predictive models.
This course starts by giving you a solid foundation in the fundamentals of deep learning, and guides you as you learn about more advanced topics, such as convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, utilizing GPU acceleration, and much more. All of the latest deep learning libraries available in Python.
So let's take a look at what's inside this course.
We'll begin the course by getting a quick review of some essential Python tools like Jupyter Notebooks. We'll also show you how to work with audio and image data sources, which you'll encounter when studying deep learning. Then, we'll quickly go over key Python libraries such as pandas for data analysis and matplotlib for data visualization. Afterwards, we'll move on to an introduction to deep learning, exploring datasets and building an understanding of how deep learning algorithms can solve what would otherwise be difficult predictive classification tasks. We'll continue on by creating simple models and build up to more complex models, analyzing the differences between them. We'll also learn about things like loss functions, optimization algorithms, and how to evaluate models we create with different metrics, such as accuracy. We can also cover how different parameters such as batch size, training time, can affect your model's performance and its results. We'll review classic problems such as handwritten digits datasets, and continue on to build our own image classification convolutional neural networks. And not only do you get great technical and educational content with this course, but you also get access to our student question and answer forums, where Francesco, the many other students, and myself are happy to answer questions you have and help your learning.
This course also comes with a certificate of completion that you can post on your LinkedIn to show off to your colleagues and potential employers.
This entire course is supported by a 30-day money-back guarantee.
So what are you waiting for? Join us on this extraordinary journey to learn about one of the most important technologies of our time.
Enroll today, and we'll see you inside the course.